Misha Gandhi, and I'm here with Thomas from Nokia, and today we're going to talk about Ovi. So what is Ovi?
Yeah, so what Ovi is, simply put, is we see it as our door to the internet, where we collect different kinds of services under one portal or one door that collects all the different kinds of services that Nokia wants to offer to its audiences, simply put.
And what will be some of the benefits to consumers?
Yeah, I think the benefit is that, first of all, a lot of it optimized for mobile. It's organized in a way that people can understand, so we're focusing on messaging, games, entertainment, navigation. So it's really structured, and now we're also going to have the Ovi Store, so we're going to have our application store there as well. So it's structured in a way that optimized for mobile, also collects all of the relevant services in one place.
And this will be available in May?
So the Ovi Store, which is the application store from Nokia, which is an application store with context for mobile, also for your PC, will be available in May. Ovi.com, where we, as I said, have both messaging, email service, navigation, music, and other services collected in one place. That's available now. So if you go to Ovi.com, you will find a lot of this now. The store per se, available in May.
Hi, this is Gina Hughes. We're here with Bill Perry, who's going to show us a little bit more about the Ovi Store.
So basically, Ovi Store is a on-device catalog for consumers to download media on their devices. It's a way for them to download things like applications, wallpaper, ringtones, themes, and so forth. And what's important about Ovi Store is we're going to be launching in May to a global audience. We support it on 75 different devices when it launches. And what's really neat about Ovi Store is we have what's called a relevance engine. And so the content that's surfaced to a consumer on these devices is going to be based off things like the location where they are, their preferences, what their friends recommend, and so forth. And so it's going to be a nice mix of content and media that actually show up on a consumer's handset. So it's pretty cool.
Okay, so what kind of applications can we expect?
So a wide range. We're looking for not only the brand name applications from large companies that people are very familiar with today, but also the long tail content. Things that you and I don't know about, they'll pop up in a few months that's really popular. We can't determine that, and that's what's great about Ovi Store, because it allows media and companies and individuals that are hobbyists to participate in this mobile ecosystem. They have a chance to reach consumers at a broad scale. So I may be a consumer here in the US, but I'm actually downloading an application made by someone in Russia, for example, or Brazil. And so we offer the granularity for a publisher to say, when I submit my media to Ovi Store, make it available in these countries or these regions, or make it available just for these devices or for these languages. And I can make it for free or choose price points. So it's a good story for developers and publishers. So it's going to launch in May on 75 devices. So if you have a supported Nokia device, if you go to your download clients on your S60 device, what it will do is it'll prompt you to download Ovi Store. You can then install that as an application. It'll show up in your menu for Ovi Store. If a consumer goes to, let's say, the Mosh website through a browser, it's going to redirect them to Ovi Store. If they go to nokia.mobi as a browser, it's going to redirect them to Ovi Store. So we're looking at ways in which consumers today are downloading assets and media through Nokia's properties, and to redirect those into Ovi Store to kind of familiarize those consumers.
Hi, I'm Angelica, and I'm the product marketing manager for consumer messaging. What we have here is Ovi Mail, and Ovi Mail is a product that will change people's lives. What is it? It's a free email account from Nokia, and it's not just another Yahoo or Google account. What's special about Ovi Mail is that it's an email address that you can set up right on your phone. So all you need to have is an S40 Nokia device, and the setup wizard will walk you through the steps of setting up an email account on the phone. Well, who would need another email address? We all have multiple email addresses, we all have Google, Yahoo accounts, but Ovi Mail is designed for people who don't even have a computer. Here's how you set up your Ovi Mail on your S40 device. You simply select Email Mailbox in Messaging folder, which launches the setup wizard. Say Connect. You create a new mailbox. It will ask you to register for a new account. If you already have an Ovi account, you can enter that information here too, but we are here now registering for a new account. You enter your first name and your last name. Click continue. We'll give you an email address if you want. If you don't like this one, you can create your own, but let's just go with what we have here. Enter a password, captcha, and there you go. This is your first email address on the phone. Ovi Mail then configures your mailbox. This is what your inbox looks like. It's a beautiful, clean UI. It's very crisp, very well designed. And this is your first email from Ovi Mail, a welcome letter. And here you can start emailing with your friends.